Did you know the speaking partner you've been searching for is right in your pocket? And it's completely free? Welcome to IELTS Juice. If you're new here, in this channel, English learners like you learn how to improve their English. So make sure to subscribe for free English lessons and tips. Okay, first let's see who your best speaking partner is. I'll just ask her to introduce herself. Hello, who are you?
Hey there, I'm ChatGPT, an AI designed to help with all sorts of things. What can I do for you today?
Now, why is ChatGPT an excellent speaking partner? Well, it's always available. You can practice anytime, anywhere. It also provides diverse topics. You can talk about anything from daily life to complex subjects. Let's move on to how you can use ChatGPT for speaking practice. First, choose a topic, or let ChatGPT suggest one. Then, start speaking your thoughts and ChatGPT will respond, keeping the conversation going. I am an English learner. Can you help me practice my speaking?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help you practice your English speaking skills. What specific topics or areas would you like to focus on? Casual conversations, vocabulary, pronunciation, or something else?
Well, can we do some shopping conversation together?
Sure, let's practice a shopping conversation. Imagine you're in a clothing store. What would you like to say or ask in this situation?
Good morning. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Good morning. Sure, what color or size are you looking for in the t-shirt?
I'm not so sure. I need something that goes with my black pants.
Got it. A neutral color like white, gray, or navy could complement your black pants. Would you prefer a plain t-shirt or something with a design?
It's non-judgmental too. It means you can feel comfortable making mistakes and learning from them. A machine can't laugh at you or make you embarrassed. Sorry, I don't understand. Can you speak clearly, please?
Of course. Would you like a plain t-shirt or one with a design to go with your black pants?
Well, my English is bad.
No worries at all. You're doing great. Is there anything specific you'd like to practice? Or any phrases you want to know for a shopping conversation?
And if you're preparing for IELTS, ChatGPT can simulate a wide range of IELTS speaking topics, from part 1 to part 3. You can get ChatGPT to ask you some common IELTS speaking questions. I am preparing for IELTS. How can you help me with my IELTS speaking practice?
Sure, I can definitely help you with that. One way is by having conversations where I'll ask you questions similar to what you'd encounter in the IELTS speaking test. We can work on fluency, vocabulary, and grammar. How about I start by asking you a practice question?
Yes, please.
Here's a part 1 question. Do you prefer to spend your free time alone or with other people? Why? Feel free to take a moment to think about your answer before sharing it with me.
Then answer those questions as if in an actual IELTS test. Well, I prefer to spend my time on my own because I'm an introvert and I don't like socializing so much.
That makes sense. Introverts often feel recharged by spending time alone. Are there specific activities you enjoy doing when you're by yourself?
I even sometimes play chess with me.
Playing chess solo is a great way to challenge your skills. It's a strategic game that can be enjoyed alone or with others. Do you find playing against yourself helps you improve your game?
And then, finally, ask for feedback or suggestions on improving your responses. Can you correct my mistakes too?
Of course, I can help you with that. What kind of mistakes are you looking to correct? Grammar, spelling, or something else?
For example, can I say I am agree with you?
Actually, the correct way to say that is, I agree with you. There's no need to use am in that sentence.
Can you suggest other ways I can agree with people? I mean, other English phrases I can use?
Sure, there are several phrases you can use to show agreement. 1, I totally agree. 2, absolutely. 3, that's true. 4, I couldn't agree more. 5, you're right. 6, exactly. 7, that's correct. I'm on the same page. 9, I agree wholeheartedly. These phrases can help you express agreement in different situations.
What if I want to disagree with people? How can I disagree correctly in English?
Certainly. Here are some phrases you can use to politely disagree. 1, I see it differently. 2, I'm not sure I agree. 3, I'm afraid I can't agree with that. 4, I respectfully disagree. 5, I understand, but I think differently. 6, I'm of a different opinion. 7, I'm not convinced. 8, I'm inclined to disagree. These phrases can help you express disagreement respectfully in various conversations.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further help, feel free to ask.
So as you can see, if you want to see the text, you could just cancel that voice command and go to the script of your conversation with ChatGPT. And as you can see here, all the phrases that were suggested are listed, so you can copy them and paste them anywhere you want. Of course, there are limitations too. Having discussed the advantages and capabilities of ChatGPT as your pocket speaking partner, it is also important to be aware of its limitations. Well, the first problem is that she can't actually hear your voice. She only analyzes and responds to your speech converted into text. So while ChatGPT is great for practicing conversation, the AI is not able to give feedback on your pronunciation or intonation. Another limitation is that being a machine, it might sometimes struggle to understand your unique non-native accent. That is why it's extremely important to speak clearly and pronounce words correctly. Artificial intelligence can't always guess what you mean the way a human does. Remember that overall, using ChatGPT is not a substitute for real human interaction, but a supplement to it. So don't expect it to replace the value of speaking with a human teacher or your classmates. In summary, ChatGPT is an excellent resource for general speaking practice and IELTS speaking preparation. It offers a flexible, diverse, and user-friendly platform to practice and refine your English speaking skills. Give it a try. You'll be surprised at how much progress you can make. Thank you for practicing speaking with me. I need to go now.
You're welcome. If you ever want more practice or have other questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Goodbye. Take care.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy speaking, and see you in the next one.